Alright, welcome back ladies and gentlemen to the Chupacabra Tutorials channel. I'm your host Larry, and today I'm going to show you where to get the Leviathan Awakens poster inside of Subnautica 2. So the Leviathan Awakens poster is new. I believe it was an art contest, so the very fancy and very talented person that drew this was the winner, and if you want to add this to your base, you can find it inside of the old habitat. So starting from the life pod, in order to reach the old habitat, you got to go to the northeast from the life pod, and it's basically the most northern human base slash settlement inside of the game right now. So you want to just cruise on past this angel comb, and there's a little ravine down here that is like nestled down below the Camp 1 ruins. And we're just going to take a little underwater current through this ravine, and this is going to deposit us right in front of the old habitat. So here's the old habitat, and where we want to go from here is we want to park right in front, and we're going to go down underneath through this little hole in the floor. And then the poster that we want, you can go up this ladder or up this hole in the ceiling. And we want to go inside of this room here, the bunk bed room that's got all the oxygen that you can breathe. And then up on the wall here, across from this black box of Quaker, you can find and scan the Leviathan Awakens poster in order to unlock it so that you can build it inside of your base. That's it. That's all you got to do in order to unlock the Leviathan Awakens poster. I've also got the coordinates up on the screen if you need those in order to help find this. And then after that, you can just head back out the way you came or finish exploring this area, because there's a lot of goodies that you can scan, like Wakemaker fragments or storage or what have you, all over this building. And some other posters like the Safety First poster. Then you can head back out, and then you can go back to your base and craft that poster for a whole whopping 1 titanium. So that'll be it for this one, ladies and gentlemen. I've been your host, Larry. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll catch you next time. Bye, everybody, and have a good one.